Hello everyone! Welcome to Let's Start Now English. I'm so excited to help you learn English today. What a beautiful day! Everything looks amazing.
It really is so amazing.
You seem very happy today.
Maybe I have a good reason.
That sounds suspicious.
Does it?
Definitely, you're hiding something.
Maybe I am.
I love you.
I love you too.
Come on, tell me.
Not yet.
Why not?
Because surprises are more fun this way.
So there really is a surprise?
There is.
Now I'm even more curious.
Good.
You're enjoying this too much.
Maybe a little.
Fine. What's the first clue?
First, close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Hold out your hands.
Like this?
Open it and find out.
A tiny box? Let me see what's inside.
Go ahead.
It's just a piece of paper.
Look closer.
It's a map.
Now you're getting somewhere.
So where's the surprise?
According to the map, we're very close.
Then let's keep going.
Follow the last clue.
Something is hidden under these flowers.
Why don't you take a look?
Wait, there's a small box here.
Open it. Boris is toi.
It's beautiful.
Yes, engagement. Emma, will you marry me?
Are you serious?
I've never been more serious in my life.
Yes, of course I'll marry you.
Really? Yes, 1,000 times yes.
It's perfect.
Not as perfect as you.
This is the happiest day of my life.
Mine too.
I'll never forget this day.
Neither will I.
Thank you for joining our adventure.
We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
See you in our next story.
Bye, everyone.